The Rogers Public Education Foundation added 4 new members to its Wall of Distinction on April 24th. Retired Rogers High School biology teacher Bob Ross agreed to demonstrate his famous owl call if Arkansas Highway Commissioner Dick Trammel could raise $10,000 in 10 minutes. Dick Trammel raised $15,000.
Look at this. Everybody's helping. Come on now. $10,000. I'm thanking you. But I need $10,000 for Bob's owl call and our dollars for scholars. So will you help us? You know, I'd like to get out. Thank you. Check. Thank you. You know, I'd like to get out. 2, 3.
This year, the foundation has raised more than $100,000 in support of teachers and students.